Maithili and this is my friend Navanish from UKG class, Kids Castle Preschool, Horamau branch. We are briefing you all about the Shiva Vandana dance.
Do you know, Maithili, one of the main gods of Hindu Sanatan Dharma is the Lord Shiva Deva. He is known as the Mahayogi, the Adi Yogi, first of all yogis.
Shiva is also known as the destroyer of all evils from the universe, only to recreate it. Shiva is often shown with a third eye to represent his wisdom and his anger, the Raudravatar. His anger is so fierce that the entire world shakes up when he opens his third eye.
Right, Maithili? He has so many rupas and so many names. One of them, be the Lord of Dance. Our first performance is dedicated to Lord Shiva. He is the one who loved himself with associate with anger, devotion, and meditation. He becomes happy just with rain.
Let's all join hands and pray for the destroyer of all evils to remove all the obstacles from our life. Thank you.
The stage is all set and children are ready to represent Buzz 12 Rasa Utsav, and we will be presenting the first emotion, which is anger, represented by color red. The children will, you will love the students here who are all set and ready. Thank you.
वीरभद्राय अग्निनेत्राय घोरसंहारः सकललोकाय सर्वभूताय सत्यसाक्षात्करा अंड ब्रह्मांड कोटि अखिल परिपालना पूरणा जगत् कारणा सत्य देव देव प्रिया वेद वेदार्थ सारा यज्ञ यज्ञोमया निश्चला दुष्ट निग्रह सप्तलोक संरक्षणा सोम सूर्य अग्निलोचना श्वेत ऋषभ वाहना शूलपाणि भुजंग भूषणा सुहस्त नमः ओम शिवोहम रुद्रनामं भजेहम ओम शिवोहम भजेऽहम् कालत्रिकालनेत्रत्रिनेत्रशूलत्रिशूलगात्रम् सत्यप्रभाव दिव्यप्रकाशमन्त्रस्वरूपमात्रम् निष्प्रपञ्चादिनिष्कलङ्कोऽहं निजपूर्णबोधहम् प्रत्यगात्माहं नित्यब्रह्मोऽहं स्वप्रकाशोऽहं हं सच्चित्प्रमाणमो मूलप्रमेयमो अयं ब्रह्मास्मि ओम् अहं ब्रह्मास्मि ओम्